All right. So, update on part two of that exhaust valve being sucked up, sucked out, whatever. So this is what it did to it. Yeah, it tore everything up. Yeah. What a mess. I mean, as you can see, it just damaged everything. Head's destroyed. Pistons destroyed. Rods destroyed. Wow. Okay.